Deck joist hanger corrosion is one of the sneakiest problems that can totally mess up your deck's strength and safety, so you gotta deal with it as soon as possible. Okay, so if you notice your deck feels a bit wobbly or you spot rust on those metal hangers holding your joists, don't just ignore it. First thing, swap out those old hangers for galvanized steel ones because they're built to fight off rust way better. When you're picking hangers, make sure they're rated for outdoor use. Like, check for corrosion resistance labels or something. Before installing the new hangers, clear off any dirt or rust from the wood and existing metal parts so everything fits snug and lasts longer. Use stainless steel or hot-dipped galvanized nails or screws to keep the whole setup strong and rust-proof. While you're at it, look over the joists themselves for any rot or damage, because sometimes corrosion hides deeper issues. If you catch problems early and keep water away from the wood by sealing cracks or adding flashing, you'll save yourself a ton of headache down the road. And don't forget to inspect your deck every season, especially after storms or super humid weather. That way you catch corrosion before it gets out of hand. One of the biggest mistakes people make with deck joist hanger corrosion is ignoring early signs like small rust spots or creaky sounds. This just lets things get worse and can lead to serious structural weakness. Another common issue is using regular steel hangers that aren't meant for outdoor use, which just rust super fast. Switching to galvanized steel hangers fixes this problem easily. Lastly, a lot of folks skip proper fastening methods and use regular nails instead of corrosion-resistant ones, which means the whole setup can fail sooner than expected. Going for hot-dipped, galvanized, or stainless steel fasteners is way smarter and safer. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners who need trusted local contractors to fix stuff like deck joist hanger corrosion without the stress. It also helps contractors connect with folks looking for their skills, making sure everyone wins when it comes to home repair projects.